Alright, I gotta make sure this shit's recording. The screen broke, so I can't even see if it's recording. That's why today's video, as you guys can see in the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna go pick up a GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let's see. Obviously it's gonna be a lot better than the GoPro Hero 7, but the GoPro Hero 7, don't get me wrong, it's still badass. I've been using it all this time. I wanted to make a quick video on the GoPro Hero 9. It's time to upgrade, guys, so hopefully you guys like this video. So first I'm gonna talk about the GoPro Hero 7. I've been using it for the past vlogs, for all the moto vlogs and pretty much everything other than like using our actual vlogging camera. But I just feel like it's time to upgrade because we went paintballing. I didn't have the waterproof case. The ball ended up hitting the camera, not the actual lens, but you know that little square that's on the side where you can actually see like if the camera's on or what mode you have it on. Anyways, it got hit and it shattered. It just messed up the screen. It didn't shatter the glass because the glass is still in there, but now I can't see shit, so I gotta like turn the camera around, and it sucks if already mounted somewhere. You gotta like I just did right now. I had to like fucking go around the bike and see. But anyways, that's why I feel like it's time to upgrade. I didn't go for the GoPro Hero 11 because it's just too expensive for me right now. I just feel like the GoPro Hero 9 should be good enough. Same thing with the GoPro Hero 7. When I got it brand new, and at that time I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, the GoPro Hero 9 just had came out, and I was like, they're going for like $450, $500. I'm not gonna spend all that on the GoPro, so I just went with the GoPro Hero 7. It's been good, other than like the batteries kind of like suck. If you're trying to shoot like 4K, the batteries drain quick, and I can still use this one. I just need to buy new batteries. But I know GoPro from the company, they don't have any old batteries, so I would have to like do Amazon or eBay, but I haven't looked into it. I did find a GoPro Hero 9 for a good deal, and it comes with 2 extra batteries, or maybe 1. Comes with the charger. What else does it come with? The extra max lens. I don't know if that's for better focus or maybe a zoomed in focus. Like I said, I'm still new on the GoPros. Then it also comes with like a little LED light that you can mount on there. So I mean, it's a good deal. What else can I say about the GoPro Hero 7? If you guys are still trying to get a GoPro, I suggest go with the GoPro Hero 7. If you guys can find a good deal with a bunch of accessories, it's still good for 2022, almost 2023. Unless you could afford it, then go for the 11. It just came out, and maybe I can, if you guys like this video, maybe I can do a comparison side by side with the GoPro Hero 7 and the GoPro Hero 9. But we'll see. Right now, I'm just kind of excited that we're finally get to upgrade. Hopefully the quality is a little bit better. I guess it shoots on 5K. I did start moto vlogging with the GoPro Hero 5. That one, I really don't recommend it because the quality's not bad during the day, but it doesn't have the hyper smooth. So I mean, if you guys are in the budget, I think your best bet is a GoPro Hero 7. But if you guys got the money to drop, get the GoPro Hero 11 or a 9 that won't be that expensive. So fingers crossed the GoPro Hero 9 has battery, so I can show you guys a little bit on the quality. I'm really stoked because like right now I wouldn't be able to see if this is recording, then I'll just be wasting my time talking to myself and not even recording. But I did pull over and check, make sure it was on. I don't know, the battery's gonna last me like maybe 20 to 30 minutes because I'm shooting on 4K. That's another thing why I want to upgrade, because the GoPro Hero 9 to 11, the battery lasts a little bit longer. From what I've seen videos, the battery's a little bit bigger, and so is the camera. So we'll see. I can't wait to try it out. It's not brand new, but it's semi-used, so hopefully it's in good working condition. This one, well, I still like it. We're gonna use it maybe just for paintball. I just need to get extra batteries. I'm gonna save the GoPro Hero 9 because I know I don't want to break the front little screen so quick, but it comes in clutch because you're able to see if you're like the angle that you're pointing the GoPro at, and also obviously if it's turned on or off. That's my main concern right now with this one. And I can't really see if the light's on up here. Is the GoPro Hero 7 still good for 2022? And should you upgrade to the 9 instead of getting the 8? We'll see what we'll call this video, but it's GoPro related. Tons of videos out there. See, the battery don't last. That was a good 30-minute ride, I think. You always want to carry extras. You can never depend on one battery for more than like 20 minutes. Alright guys, we're back on. This is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let's see how it does on the road to shakiness. I don't know if it's on hyper smooth. I'll mess with the settings later, but right now this is what we're gonna work with. So it's a quick little video. Wanted to ride out here just to get the GoPro, and now I can see myself, my ugly self. So I came all the way to Montclair to get the GoPro for a good deal. This one's pretty good conditions, and right now everybody's trying to get rid of them. We're trying to get the GoPro Hero 11 right now. So everybody's trying to get rid of their GoPro Hero 9 or 10. I took a little bit longer because the front screen was locked and I never had a GoPro Hero 9 with the new settings, so I didn't know how to turn it on. It probably kills more battery, but I need it just to see myself and see if it's on or if it's off. I see the buttons blinking, so our videos are going to change. If not, then they're still going to be the same because the quality, if it's any better than the GoPro Hero 7, if not, it's going to be about the same. But let me know if you guys like more videos on GoPro stuff. I don't know much about like some stock settings that you just click on it and it's ready to go, so you don't have to mess with anything like that. So I feel like that's really useful for like beginners like myself. I don't consider myself an expert on GoPros or any like vlogging cameras. I try to mess with it. I just most of the time just leave it on auto. But that's cool about the GoPros that now they have like custom settings for you just to turn on the camera, press record, or choose a setting that you want to choose either. But thanks again for everybody sticking around. Thanks to everybody that's been subscribing. It means a lot. It's been a long road to get to 1,000, but eventually we're gonna get there. We like to make videos, so we're not gonna stop making content. And if you guys like it, well, we really like making content for you guys. So maybe I'm just gonna talk a little bit more about the GoPro Hero 9 before I get out of here and get my ass back home. But yeah, right off the back, the front camera, it's clutch, so like you can do adjustments if you really want to be on the angle. Many more videos to come with the GoPro Hero 9. Stay tuned. Peace.